Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide the music tablet that is present in the Instagram story when you try to post any Instagram story with a music on it. So let's see how to do this. First, let's try to upload an Instagram story by clicking on the plus icon and choosing story right here. Now, for example, I will choose any particular photo. Let's say this photo right here. And now we'll try to add any music into this. So let's go to the music and then choose any music of our choice. So for example, let's say this song right here. So for example, let's say this song here. We have selected this and here you can see that the album is still appearing. So in order to remove this album, what you can do is that you can choose this option which says music only and click on done. Then click on this icon at the bottom and click on the share option. Then click on the done button again. Just wait for the story to get uploaded and we will check whether it worked or not. And here you can see that the story has been successfully uploaded and there are no visible music tablet present in this particular Instagram post. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.